Did you know that 80% of Fortune 500 companies have dedicated government affairs offices? In today's complex regulatory environment, the ability to effectively engage with government entities and shape public policy can make or break an organization's success. Many organizations struggle to navigate the intricate world of public affairs and government relations. Without specialized training, companies often find themselves reactive to policy changes, unable to effectively advocate for their interests, and missing opportunities to shape the regulatory landscape. This can lead to unfavorable legislation, reputational risks, and significant challenges in achieving business objectives. At a personal level, professionals in this field often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of government processes and the nuances of effective lobbying. They may struggle with understanding legislative procedures, lack confidence in building relationships with policymakers, or find it challenging to balance corporate interests with public concerns. This can result in ineffective advocacy efforts, missed opportunities to influence policy, and difficulty in anticipating and responding to regulatory changes. This comprehensive specialist training course steps in to bridge these knowledge gaps. By providing in-depth instruction on public affairs strategies and government relations techniques, it equips both organizations and individuals with the tools they need to navigate the corridors of power effectively. The benefits of this course are substantial. Participants will gain a deep understanding of political systems and policy-making processes, learn to develop and implement effective advocacy campaigns, and acquire skills in stakeholder mapping and engagement. They'll also explore ethical lobbying practices, crisis management in a public affairs context, and methods for measuring the impact of government relations efforts. For organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Companies will be better positioned to influence policy outcomes, anticipate regulatory changes, and build productive relationships with government stakeholders. This can lead to a more favorable operating environment, reduced regulatory risks, and increased opportunities to shape policies that affect their industry. On a personal and team level, professionals will experience a significant boost in their strategic thinking and advocacy capabilities. They'll be able to contribute more meaningfully to policy discussions, improve the organization's government relations efforts, and add value through their enhanced understanding of the political landscape. Teams will collaborate more effectively in developing and executing public affairs strategies, ensuring a coordinated and impactful approach to government engagement. Don't let a lack of public affairs and government relations expertise hinder your organization's ability to thrive in today's complex regulatory environment. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in this critical area. Enroll in this specialist training course today and take a decisive step towards mastering public affairs and government relations. Your journey to becoming a skilled advocate for your organization's interests starts here. Seize this opportunity to transform your approach to policy influence and stakeholder engagement.